Pumpkin pancakes, because apparently everything should include pumpkin if it's autumn outside. Start by whisking together kefir, egg, sugar, salt, melted butter, and pumpkin puree, which you should already know how to make unless you skipped my previous video on purpose. Let that mixture sit and reconsider its life choices. Now add special ingredient, apple, which some people may find strange in pumpkin pancakes and question my sanity, but that's fine, I question it too. And here's the truth about grating apples. The only workable method is using that quarter thingy to remove the center and then grate them. No real workarounds exist, except buying pre-grated apple. In a separate bowl, mix flour, baking powder, soda, and spices. You might ask why we use both baking powder and soda, but don't. Not every question in life gets an answer. Combine both bowls gently, because we're making butter, not forcing a long-term relationship. Now add just a touch, just a little bit of oil to the pan and heat it up. Scoop the butter and fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side. When flipping, slap the pancake confidently and let the hot oil jump at you, just like I did here. It hurts, but it helps you appreciate the food more. That's called character development. For serving, dust with powdered sugar, and a little bit more, and just a little bit more, and a little bit more. Perfection. They might look simple on the outside, but in reality, nothing in this world is simple. Life is much more complex than searching easy answers for easy questions, and pancakes are no exception.